Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Said. You can call me Mo. What if I told you that I'm going to teach you Chinese in Chinese? Are you going to live in an Arabic country for work or even for tourism and you don't want to pay like thousands of dollars for just taking a taxi? Well, better call Mo. Together we are going to learn the Egyptian dialect, the most understandable dialect in all the Arabic world, including the cultural side, so you can even understand jokes. Do you believe that? Or you're willing to go more professional so as to learn Arabic for work, education, or even you're going to have an Arabic exam. So better call Mo. And hey, for my Muslim brothers and sisters, those who are going to learn Quran and understand the Tajweed rules for their own purposes or for the children, better call Mo. Now, you might be asking about my teaching method. I like teaching Arabic in a method called immersion method, where we are getting exposed to the Arabic language gradually from scratch, from nothing, and the Arabic culture. I expose my students to as much of the language as possible. That's how the child hears the first letters and even sounds for the first time. And then he uses it gradually. On the other hand, you start to repeat what you hear and put that in an understandable sentence, moving from listening to speaking and from reading to writing. I use Arabic language itself for teaching by gradually minimizing the usage of English and providing you with more and more Arabic words to use them with me until we completely use the Arabic for everything we will face through our learning time together. I prefer giving too much homework with a vast variety of challenges, such as making recordings, translating sentences, memorizing the new vocabulary, and subtitling a short music or movie clip. I also like to provide optional funny learning materials of songs and movies and various kinds of media, just for establishing good cultural base. Languages in general are not solid subjects. It's a living thing. You need to do it, you need to practice it. That's what we are going to do, from scratch till we need proficiency. So be brave, book a trial, and don't forget, better call Mo.